Hey, Chef Randy Feltis here, and if you really want to impress your guests at home, check out this sweet pea risotto with a pan-seared sea scallop. Every dreamy risotto begins with butter, so just a nub, because you know, we're on the healthy side. And all we're going to do is melt down our garlic, onion, arborio rice. Do not wash the arborio rice, ever. And then we basically do this like 1,000 times. And stir. So what we're gonna do is dry scallops, U10. Absolutely gorgeous. We're just gonna do salt and pepper. Fairly heavy because the scallops, you know, have a bit of a neutral flavor to them. So we're gonna heighten that up with a little salt and pepper. And then we're gonna get a hot cast iron pan. We're gonna add some olive oil until it's smoking, and I mean smoking hot. Yeah. 2 minutes per side. The whole idea of risotto is the more you stir, the fluffier it gets, the creamier it gets. You don't have to add cream and butter, you just have to stir. So it's a labor of love, but the more you stir it, the more flavor you're gonna get. We can see the bottom of the pot, and then it just goes in, and that's when you know you have the proper amount of moisture in there. So we're gonna stir that until it gets a little bit thicker, and then add more liquid. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some pea puree, fresh peas, chopped basil, chopped parsley. Oh, that is stunning looking now. Everyone likes this part, right? That looks good. Oh, snap. And that's what we're after. Just a simple crust. So you need high heat, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, but you see that crust, that's just gonna give it a little bit of texture, and then the inside is just gonna melt in your mouth. Absolutely gorgeous. That is fresh, delicious, and absolutely low fat. Come over here to our scallops. They're perfectly crispy on the outside, soft, delicious inside. Stack up 3. Oh, hello there. Oh, they're just nestled in there together. And then we're just gonna garnish with a little bit of sprouts, snow peas, daikon radish. There you have it, a beautiful sweet pea risotto with pan-seared sea scallops. To check out the recipe and tools I use to get there, just go to tsc.ca.